Bonjour, food lovers. I'm thrilled to be welcoming you back to my channel where we explore the world through our taste buds. Today, we're going on a gastronomic journey to the heart of France, diving deep into the secrets of French cuisine. If you're a foodie, a cook, or just someone who enjoys a good meal, this one's for you. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. But first, let's get our bearings. French cuisine is known for its variety, quality, and, above all, its adherence to the art of good eating. This comes to life in the freshness of the ingredients, the balance of flavors, and the love and time that goes into the preparation. So, let's learn how to bring that passion and flavor to your own kitchen with our first tip. Tip number 1. Respect the ingredients. The French value fresh, local, and seasonal produce. They believe that quality ingredients are the foundation of a great dish. So when you're cooking French, choose the freshest ingredients you can find. Moving on to the second segment, let's uncover the magic behind some iconic French cooking techniques. Number 2. Master the 5 mother sauces of French cuisine. Bechamel, velouté, espagnole, hollandaise, and tomato sauce. They are the backbone of many French dishes, and mastering them will level up your cooking game. Number 3. Don't shy away from fats. French cuisine isn't afraid of butter, cream, and cheese. These are often the secret behind the rich flavors in French cooking. Remember, moderation is key. Our next stop is a showcase of some classic French dishes that you can try at home. Number 4. Start with the basics. If you're new to French cooking, start with a simple ratatouille or coq au vin. These dishes are a great way to explore the depth of French flavors. Number 5. Don't forget about dessert. The French have a sweet tooth, and classics like tarte tatin and crème brûlée are sure to impress. Now that we have some of the cooking down, let's not forget about the dining experience. Number 6. French dining is an experience, not just a meal. It's about coming together, enjoying the food, the conversation, and the company. Try recreating this at home by enjoying your meals without any distractions. If you're enjoying the video so far and want more delicious content like this, remember to hit the subscribe button below. You wouldn't want to miss out on our next culinary adventure, would you? Before we wrap up, let's talk about the stars of the French table: wine and cheese. Number 7. Learn the basics of pairing French wines and cheeses. A camembert goes beautifully with a red Bordeaux, while a tangy goat cheese pairs well with a crisp Loire Valley white. Number 8. Don't be afraid to experiment. The best part about French cuisine is discovering new combinations that excite your palate. So mix and match, and find your own perfect pairings. And there you have it, mes amis. 8 tips to help you delve into the vibrant world of French cuisine. From mastering the mother sauces to hosting a classic French dinner, you're now equipped with some insider knowledge to start your own.